Good morning everybody. Today we discussed about the mouthwash preparations. Okay, what are the uses of mouthwash? Mouthwashes are mainly used for this deodorizing, refreshing purpose. What are the therapeutic uses of mouthwash? It is mainly used for periodontal disease, gingivitis. These are the some notable therapeutic uses of mouthwash. In your syllabus, as 3 mouthwash are given. That is, first one is antiseptic mouthwash, astringent mouthwash and alkaline mouthwash. Okay, today I am discussing about this antiseptic mouthwash, this Powidiniodine mouthwash. So, Powidiniodine mouthwash, how to prepare? There are 2 ingredients in this preparations. Only this 10% Powidiniodine and then 8% of alcohol. We need only 2 ingredients here. So, what is the actions of these ingredients? Powidiniodine, this shows the antiseptic action, and this alcohol is also here is alcohol is act as the vehicle. Actually in 17 to 90% concentration this act as antiseptic, but here this our alcohol concentration is 8%. So in this preparation this act as the vehicle, and here this the powidiniodine is act as the antiseptic role. So we called it as this the antiseptic mouthwash. So in your exam they are asking prepare and dispense 50 ml of antiseptic mouthwash. So we can select this powidiniodine mouthwash. So first we write the aim, prepare and dispense 50 ml of powidiniodine, that's antiseptic mouthwash. Then you write the ingredients details, that is we need the ingredients for we are going to make the 50 ml. So for 50 ml we need the ingredients of this powidiniodine mouthwash, this 5 ml of powidiniodine, and we record 45 ml of alcohol. So in this preparation we no need to record this balance because our 2 ingredients are in liquid form. So we can use this measuring cylinder. Okay. So first we weigh out this the transfer this the 5 ml of powidiniodine mouthwash. Sorry, powidiniodine ingredient, our first ingredient. So we can transfer this with the help of our measuring cylinder. We just transfer this powidiniodine. It shows the antiseptic property. Can transfer to this measuring cylinder. This 5 ml. We record only 5 ml of okay. We record this. We take the first our ingredient, it is 5 ml of powidiniodine. Okay. Because of this presence of this ingredient, this mouthwash shows the antiseptic property. Okay. Then we transfer to this large measuring cylinder. Can transfer with the help of this measuring cylinder. Okay. Okay. Then our second ingredient is 8% of alcohol. Here is alcohol is act as the vehicle for this preparation. So we need the 45 ml. Okay, we can directly transfer here to 45 ml of alcohol. Okay. Then we can mix with the help of glass rod. Okay. So this can easily dissolve because both these ingredients are in liquid form. One is an alcohol, is act as a good vehicle. This help to dissolve this powidiniodine solution. Then you mix very well with the help of this glass rod. Okay, our mouthwash become ready. This is the best example of antiseptic mouthwash. This we can used for this periodontal disease, gingivitis and oral lesions. This mouthwash is most helpful one. Okay. Then we transfer to this one to or dispensing bottle. This dispensing bottle is amber color dispensing bottle. Why we are using this amber color dispensing bottle? Because here this is the iodine preparation. So this is the chance of oxidation with sunlight. So in this iodine preparations are we all kept in this amber color bottle. In this Mandel's paint preparation we are also using this same dispensing bottle, because in this Mandel's paint preparations there is also iodine compounds are present. So we need to kept in this amber color dispensing bottle, and then this dispensing procedures are same like our Mandel's paint, only change in this you just write the mouthwash. No need to write the antiseptic mouthwash or powdered iodine mouthwash, you just write the mouthwash, and then here this indicate the measurement. This is 50 ml, we prepare the 50 ml, and then indication for this paint and mouthwash is our topically applications, so not to be swallowed. Then you write the patient's details. You should select the adult patient here, writing purpose, and then direction for use: to be used as a mouthwash after dilution with equal volume of warm water. This is the direction for use of this mouthwash. Then you write the place of manufacturing, that is Pushpagiri Medical College. Then dispensed by your name, that is the dispensing person's name and signature. This is the writing pattern for every preparations, only change in direction for use. Or direction for use: to be used as mouthwash after dilution with equal volume of warm water. So you can, this is the preparation of our powdered iodine mouthwash. This is the best example of antiseptic mouthwash. This is mainly used for this oral lesions, periodontal disease, gingivitis and other uses. This can also use the mouthwashes for this oral hygienes and for refreshing purpose. Okay, next video we will discuss about the other mouthwashes. Okay, thank you.